Let's see how to create a biller. A biller means a cashier. If your shop has 5 cashiers or 5 selling points, then you need to create 5 billers. Each biller will maintain their own separate cash register. This is important because managing all registers under one biller can cause confusion. It's better to assign one register to each biller. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a biller, how to edit or delete one, how to log in as a biller, and how to manage your own cash register. To create a biller, go to the left menu, click on People, then select Add Biller. You'll see 2 options, List Billers and Add Biller. Click on Add Biller. A pop-up will appear asking for a few details. First, it will ask for a logo. This logo will appear on the sales receipts made under this biller. You can either upload a new logo or choose from previously used logos. For now, let's select the Dev logo. Once selected, it will immediately appear on the right side of the form. Next, enter the company name, then the biller name. Fields like GST are optional unless required by your business. Now enter the biller's email. This is important, as the biller will use this email to log in. For example, you might use something like dealernew@gmail.com, mail to dealernew@gmail.com. Then enter the phone number and address. A biller is a staff member, so you're not only adding them to access the software as a cashier, but also storing their full contact details. You can also add a footer note that will appear on receipts generated by this biller. This is optional and can be left blank. Click Add Biller. The biller will be created. To edit the biller later, click the Edit icon under the Actions column. To delete the biller, click the Delete icon. Now we need to give the biller access to log into the software. To do that, go back to People and click on Add User. You'll see a form where you need to fill in the following: first name, last name, gender, company name, same as you entered before, phone number, email, must match the email you entered when creating the biller, username, password, should include at least 1 capital letter, 1 symbol, and 1 number. Set the status to Active. Next, assign a role from the Group drop-down. Since this user is a biller, select Sales. Don't select Owner or Admin. Now, you'll see some additional fields. Under Biller, choose the biller you just created. If you have multiple warehouses, you can assign one. For now, let's choose Warehouse 1. Set permissions like Allow discount, as per your business policy. You can also choose to notify the user by email. Then click Add User. At the top, you might see a message saying the system couldn't send an email. This is because the SMTP configuration is not set up. You can ignore this message for now. Now the biller is ready to log in. Log out from the admin account and log in using the biller's email and password. After logging in as a biller, you'll notice that access is limited. You can only see the product list, sales, quotations, and customers. You won't be able to add products, view suppliers, or access other billers' information. This is intentional, as a biller only works with customers and the POS screen. To start selling, click on the POS icon at the top. You'll be asked to enter cash in hand. This is the amount the biller has in their cash register when starting the day. For example, if the biller has 200 in cash, they will enter 200 and click Open Register. Now the biller can handle their own cash register. When the day ends or the cash counter is closed, they will close the register. Every time the biller opens the register, they must enter the starting cash in hand. This is the general rule. Now let's do a quick sale as this biller. You'll see that the receipt displays the logo we selected earlier. Each biller can have their own logo on receipts, or you can use one standard logo for your shop. After the sale, click Back to POS and you'll return to the main screen. Under Sales, POS Sales, you can view all the sales made by this biller. Now log out again and log back in as the owner. Go to People, and then List Billers to see the list of billers you've created. Under List Users, you'll see the biller listed as a user, meaning they have login access. A biller record is just for reference, while a user record allows login. To track the biller's performance, go to Reports, then click on Staff Report. Choose the biller, for example, Biller New, and click View Report. You'll see all the sales made by this biller, including due amounts, total purchases, and more. This information helps you make decisions, such as offering bonuses or reviewing performance. So, using the Reports, Staff Report section, you can monitor each staff member's activity in detail, including full history and logs. By clicking on the List Open Registers icon in the top right navigation, you can view all the open cash registers under all billers, as an owner or admin.